Today I am going to show you an experiment controlling of two LEDs using 5 volts relay module. So this is 5 volts relay module. It has got 3 pins on the input side and 3 pins on the output side. So VCC, ground and input terminal, and normally closed, common terminal and normally open. Opposite to in, the terminal is normally open. Opposite to VCC, it is normally closed terminal. So take this 5 volts relay module, and for this we need 5 volts supply. Either you can use 5 volts adapter, DC adapter, or 5 volts battery, or 5 volts DC supply, anything you can use here. And one switch we need, that is SPST switch, single pole single throw switch, and two LEDs, and 1 kilo ohm resistor and some connecting wires. Now I will show you what are the components required. These two are the LEDs I am using. The longer lead is this side. I have connected longer lead. This is anode, longer lead on one side, and shorter lead is cathode on the other side. We need two LEDs. These two are the LEDs. And we need 1 kilo ohm resistor. This is 1 kilo ohm resistor. Okay. Next, we need single pole single throw switch. It has got two terminals. I have already connected two wires. So this is on, off. Okay, this we need. And we need 5 volts relay module, and these are the primary input side terminals. The first one is input, second one is ground, and third one is VCC. And this is on the output side. Opposite to the input is normally open, middle one is common, and I should connect one more wire, that is for normally close. So afterwards, with the help of screwdriver, you can fix it. So these three wires I have already connected. Primary side also I have connected 3 wires. So these are the components required. Then how to do the connection? The positive terminal of the battery. I need positive battery also, that I'll show you. This is DC adapter I have taken, 5 volts DC adapter, and at the end of the wire cable I have cut this part and taken two wires. Red one is VCC, positive VCC, and black one is ground. So this I am going to connect in the circuit now. Okay. So when the battery positive is connected to VCC and the battery negative to ground, and the switch is between in and the ground. One of the switch terminal you connect to in and other to the ground terminal. And on the output side, normally close to one LED, and normally open to another LED, and the cathode of both the terminals you short it and connect this to 1 kilo ohm resistor, and from another end of 1 kilo ohm resistor to the ground terminal or the negative terminal of the battery. Only this much is the connection. So what happens when when the switch is closed? When the switch is closed, the VCC is connected to VCC pin and ground is connected. When the switch is applied, the relay coil gets energized, and before switch is turned on, this is normally closed. This LED will be in on condition. When I close the switch, the relay coil is energized. Normally close will become normally open, and normally open will become normally close. So when this becomes close, the common terminal gets connected to the normally open, because common terminal is connected to VCC. So in order to turn on LED, we should apply positive to anode and negative to cathode. So this common terminal gets connected to normally close. When I close the switch, this LED turns on. When I open the switch, the common terminal gets connected to normally close. Normally open will open, this will become open, and this gets connected to the normally close, and this LED turns on. When switch is in open condition, this LED is on because common is connected to normally close. When switch is closed, common is connected to normally open and this LED turns on. In this way, we can, when the relay is in two positions, one of the LED will be turned on and you can hear the tick sound also. When the relay gets energized, you can hear the tick sound. So this is about the connection. Now I'll show you how to connect it. So these two are anodes. This is my 5 volts relay. This is on the output side. So how to connect? Normally close to one of the LED. This is normally close. This I should connect to one of the anode of the LED. Okay. Next, last one, normally open. So where I should connect? Normally open should be connected to this terminal. Another LED anode. Okay, so this much connection over now. And where the common terminal should be connected? Common terminal should be connected to VCC. So I will make this line as VCC. This side I am making as VCC. So this is VCC rail I connected. So connection is over on the output side. Now I'll do on the input side. You check the circuit. On the input side, VCC must be connected to VCC rail. So which is VCC? This one. So this I will connect to VCC rail. VCC rail. And middle one is ground. I am making this line as a ground line. I am connecting this to ground line. And the first one is input terminal. So where input terminal should be connected? It should be connected to switch. So this is my switch. I'll connect this to the switch terminal. Okay, I connected to switch. Other end of switch should go to ground. Which is ground now? This is ground. Okay, so I should take one wire and connect this to ground. This is ground. Okay, next. The cathode terminal should be shorted with one wire. I'll get one more wire. So I'll connect cathode of this to cathode of this. I'll connect cathode of this to cathode of this. And from cathode, I'll connect one resistor. This is like this. From cathode, I should connect one resistor and from resistor to ground. So I'm using this resistor from any one of the cathode to ground terminal. Okay, now connection is over. Now I'll give the power supply. This is power supply. The power supply positive, power supply negative. Power supply positive I'll give here. Positive rail and power supply negative to ground. So 5 volts DC supply. Now I'll connect this power supply to the main switch. And now the green LED is on because the anode of the green LED, this blue wire has gone to normally close. So when switch is in off condition, green LED is on. Okay, now I'll turn on the switch. So the relay, green LED relay gets energized and red LED will turn on. See, relay is on and red LED is on. Red LED is on. I'll switch off the switch. Green LED is on, red LED is off and relay is also off. I'll turn on the switch. Relay is on, green LED is off, red LED is on. Red LED is connected to normally open. So in this way with the help of relay you can control the LEDs. Green on. You can hear the tick sound also from the relay. This is the circuit diagram. First 5 volts DC adapter, and switch is connected between in terminal and negative terminal of the DC adapter, and VCC and ground are connected to DC adapter. You can see here on the input side. On the output side, 2 LEDs. The normally close goes to the upper LED, and normally open is connected to the bottom LED, and cathode of both LEDs are to 1 kilo ohm resistor. If you connect 1 kilo ohm resistor, the intensity of the LED light will be less. You can connect 220 ohm resistor also to get a very brightness. Then other end of the resistor is connected to the negative terminal of the DC adapter. So this is all about the connection diagram.